Hey guys, David Fine from Watch Your Lip. I'm here on my 16-foot Carolina Skiff named Priscilla. And if you might recall, in a recent video, we were down the Florida Keys, and when we came down here, Priscilla's power got all jacked up, and we did not have any power to any of our deep cycle stuff, our lights, nav lights, our anchor lights, our bilge pump, and the GPS thing. So I went to West Marine, spent half a day, got real frustrated, bought a new battery. We tried cleaning terminals and stuff, trying to troubleshoot what was the power issue. I called my friend Christian Vinals, young man. He came over. He's got some certifications in marine electronics, and he came over and within a few minutes discovered, very quick, easy fix. It was my bypass switch for my deep cycle battery here. My bypass switch, even though I cleaned the terminals, the switch itself was bad. He saw how there was a bunch of resistance inside the switch and was not letting energy pass. So we went to West Marine, got ourselves a new switch, and we're going to install it right now. Hopefully it's going to be super easy, guys. Let's see how this goes. All right, so first step is we need to get this guy off. Okay. Okay. Let's get these guys off. Top goes on top. This one goes on bottom. All right. Now, I would imagine this should be super easy. Okay, there's the bad switch, guys. This should be really super easy. I'm hoping that it is. Okay, we're gonna open this bad boy up. I wonder if my other switch fits inside of here. Oh, it does. Oh, good. Now I have a backup. I always wondered, like, what would happen if I lost this thing and I wasn't able to turn the switch. Well, now I've got a backup. I can keep that. Good, good, good. Let's see. All right. It should be the same size. It is. Guys, I'm so happy. This seems like it's going to be like a really super easy fix. And we're going to break the mold of the idea that when something goes wrong with your boat, all you got to do is break out another 1,000. This fix is 20 bucks, guys. Do it yourself, 20 bucks. Put that guy in there. Well, let's see. Now, I'm going to put this plug in here. Moment of truth, y'all. That was easy. If it's that easy, praise the Lord. Okay. Now, if this works, when I turn this thing, those lights should light up. I don't see any lights. Nav light's on. Anchor light. Come on, baby. Bam. We've got cabin lights that are not hooked up. Bait pump. Let's see. It's humming. Bilge pump. It's humming. Guys, that was such an easy fix. I am so thrilled that it was that easy. All I have to do is tighten these down here and be done. Oh, that's so awesome. That was such an easy fix. Okay guys, that's it. Then I can turn you off. I have an idea. What if because here's the thing, this key comes out, and if that comes out and you lose it, then you're kind of screwed. But what I am going to do, this is an extra one, my old one. It fits in the same hole, so we're going to put that in my little box there. But what I can do for simplicity, well, first let's see if this wire goes through. Yes, it does. Watch this. I have an idea. This might not be a good idea, but it's an idea. Okay, so what I can do, for now, let's see. Yeah, I've got an idea. For now, Bam. We'll put you guys in there. Guys, that's pretty much sums it up. We're done with that little project. There you have it, guys. It was that easy. It was about a 5-minute fix. $20, 5 minutes. A lot of frustration in the keys, but here's the thing, guys. That's why, as I go through these getting to know boat ownership ideas, you know, I'm probably going to need to go get one of those little electrical gauges so that you can tell what kind of amperage is going in and out of a wire or a system, because he put that little gauge up to this switch right here, and he found out real quick that that switch was not letting electricity pass in the same manner as it needed to. So as soon as he did that, he realized that was the problem, and he figured that out in 5 minutes. So if you were to take this problem to a marine mechanic, I mean, they're charging you know, 150 bucks an hour, and that's even if it was 1 hour, it would have been 150 bucks plus, you know, the upcharge for the part and whatever else they figured out you needed. But guys, it was a $20 fix. Took 5 minutes, but just with a little bit of knowledge, found out where the problem was. So guys, hope you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It feels nice to fix something, and it only take 5 minutes. So glad you got to witness me feel better about my baby Priscilla. Can't wait to take her out fishing now that her electronics are back up and running. So guys, take care. God bless. Stay safe. Watch your lip.